Today we're talking about the trinity of Daoism and the way that yin and yang combine together to make this from two, which is yin and yang, which is yin and yang, yin, yang, combined together and becomes three, which is a chi. Now, that trinity is, again, one of the fundamental aspects of Taoism or Daoism. When you combine the yin and yang together, you create chi. So chi, some people pronounce it as chi, some people pronounce it as qi, the Japanese pronounce it as ki, ki. In Indian philosophy, we call it, or they call it, prana. In Greek philosophy or ancient Greek, they call it ether, and in the other philosophies, they call it breath. But they're all kind of a part of the same thing, which is called the chi, or energy. So when you combine the yin and the yang, you create the chi. Now, for example, in the human beings, the male sperm is yang, and the female egg is yin. So when you add the male sperm and the female egg, you provide energy, a new life, a baby. So chi is a combination of yin and yang, this new energy. Now in human beings, this energy or this chi follows three paths or three sections of it. And these three sections are called the treasures. And we have to protect these treasures. There are lots of books, lots of stuff written about this treasure, the three treasures. The jing, one of these treasures are the jing, which is the essences, like a genetic material, which is more physical, more yang, more you can see our essence, our jing, our essences are genetic. The other section of it, the second treasure, is chi, which is more refined, which is our mind, our emotion, and And the third sort of a part of a treasure is shen. Shen means the spirit. Like particularly, the shen is the spirit of the heart, but generally, it contributes towards the spirit of a soul in a way. So these three treasures are Jing, Qi, Shen, body, mind, spirit. And a lot of, in Taoism, these three treasures have to be protected. And that three treasures, combination of yin and yang, makes the Tao, and it's in everything. But in some areas, it's less, like for example, in inanimate object, there is maybe not so much Shen or no chi, but it's got its own chi. But I'm talking about the humans. It's got its three treasures, Jing, Qi, Shens, and animals as well. Or any living things has got all three, but in some of them it's much less or non-existent. But in others, there's more of Shen or more of Jing or more of Qi. Humans are at the top of the chain in a way. So they have the combination of the three. So when the Qi or yin and yang flow steady, smooth, in a space and time continuum, you get health, happiness. But if there is this imbalance of yin and yang, it disturbs the Qi, it disturbs the Tao, it disturbs the three treasures. And that causes dis-ease or lack of ease. So control and look after the three treasures. Very important in Taoism.